Okay, guys, this is Alpo, and this is the shotgun chug. 6 beers in 6 minutes is the time. And who's our guest chugger?
Waldo 87.
Waldo 87 has joined the Alpo team. So, alright, we're going to start off. Here he's going to grab his beers, and we're going to set them right in the line for him. Alright, your timer will start at 30 seconds. So watch the clock. 3, 2, 1, go! There's one. Ah, you didn't get all of it. Supposed to chug from the hole down there. There's a whole point of shotgunning.
Can't you shotgun both ways?
You're supposed to shotgun it from the hole. Poke a hole in the can, stick your mouth over the can, over the hole, and then pop her open. Like we're at. That's shotgunning, buddy. There's 2 down. We're almost to another end. Nope. Power through it, man.
Probably gonna throw up.
Yeah, well, if you puke, you lose, so power through it. Might have to get a little higher up on the can. Come on, bud, you can do this.
It's coming up.
I don't care, keep going. Keep going. Because if you bomb, it's going to, we're going to have to do this again. With a different guy. If you bomb, there you go. He's almost halfway through.
I step back and sketch the deep rolls.
Yeah, good point. I'm sitting next to him. Don't discuss that garbage now.
You can have that piece of shit.
Chug. Yeah, he's got to eat the dog food. Vomit alert. It's failed. Instant fail, bud.
Nah, fucked up.
Well, guess what? He loses, folks. Give me a spoon.
Fuck.
Give me a spoon. Or a fork. I don't care which.
We're just gonna keep it rolling.
We're just going to keep it rolling, and you're going to enjoy this because you failed your challenge. Fun beer is over, buddy.
Fuck it. Why you always get me doing these challenges?
Because it's you. You said you could do it.
This is FDA approved food for human consumption, so I could eat it and not worry.
Yes, you are clear. Just grab up the bucket if it's got stuff in it. And that means Cholo is up to win the challenge.
Oh boy, look at that. Ain't that some nice stuff?
Hey, man.
Actually, if the world did kind of collapse, I could live off this.
Yep.
But unfortunately,
Remember, you're going to eat the can.
this is dog food.
That's 13.2 ounces you're going to eat, bud.
Well,
It could be worse. It could be cat food.
yeah. Well, see, the problem was I downed it too fast, and the foam was building up, and
Why don't you just down there another one and that foam will sit down?
no, you can't keep downing and downing. It builds up. It was coming up one way or the other. Well, there goes another one. I bet's a fence.
Just keep eating.
A bet's a bet.
You had a bit of no business discussion. There's plans.
Well, the taste is not bad.
Hey, Jay, you wanted to see this? Oh, she's bathing. Amanda, come see this.
Yeah, really something like that.
I lost.
He lost his challenge.
How's the donkey taste, Mark?
It ain't really that bad, to be honest with you. I don't even know if this is actually horse meat, cow meat, or starch or whatever.
It's beef.
It's beef?
It's beef.
Man, I hope it's not the rotten parts of the cow.
No. It's prime cuts. It's actually something decent. It's better than McDonald's burger, at least. Doesn't have pink slime in it. Actually, only burning the contents of that pot.
Hey!
What's that saying where your eyes is bigger than your stomach? Heck no, you got kids in the background fighting.
I want to adjust that out of the camera. There we go.
That's alright.
Cholo makes a great door.
You guys still get the 3 beers though?
Huh? Just keep going. It's still doing its thing.
So how that dog food taste?
Like I said before, it's not bad. It's FDA approved for human consumption.
Yes, it is.
It's just the name of it, dog food. Oh, how gross, how disgusting.
Yeah, Alpo makes everybody go, oh, that's great for dinner. Unless it wasn't strong art, that stuff's gritty.
At least it ain't actually called dog food.
Nah, it's veggies and gravy and beef and
It's actually pretty good. Believe it or not, hey, a bet's a bet. If you lose, you lose, alright? You know? So, in the end, it was worth it. Because I was hoping to get drunk.
yeah, instead to get a free meal.
Yeah, free meal.
Something. Beef.
Supposed to do.
Well, it says beef. It's supposed to be USDA approved grade A beef.
And this is Colt Powell.
Cold poo.
Colt Poo. Welcome to viewers. I challenge you. You're down with 6 beers. Under 2 minutes was my bet. Which practically almost down 1 in 3 seconds, but you're down more than 3, then you know your stomach ain't that big. That foam's what did it.
Oh, watch this one, Power Chug Grill at Fringes.
Those prune juice, they don't have no fizz. It's not carbonated.
No, it just makes you have to shit suddenly. Constantly. Yeah, his poor tree found that out the hard way. Side of that building just bombing away, and there's Andy shitting in the building. And the whole next day is his grandma's house in the John.
Well, you found somebody to do the challenge.
Yep.
It was a bet. Now, far for later.
And he'll just shit and he'll go, Boomer around here? Oh, wait, that's me.
Now, if they threw some carrots in here, it'd probably be better.
It's supposed to have carrots in there. It says so.
Carrots for me.
Nah, it's just potatoes, I think. It's potatoes and maybe occasional dried pea.
What?
You
What's
don't
wrong
like
with it?
peas.
There's nothing wrong with this. Now, if it was some roadkill, that's disgusting.
I like the nice furry dripping down off of it.
Gravy.
It's gravy and probably collagen.
There's always a little bit of dog spoon in it.
Yeah. Nah, it's alcohol. If it was strong heart, then yeah, I could believe that.
really, it ain't that bad.
No. I swear strong heart's made out of freaking horse asses. I've had to eat it before.
What is it?
Strong heart.
Oh. I guess where they get the strong heart.
He's almost done.
I'm barking this shit up.
This thing ain't blowed up yet.
It don't taste bad. It's just a fucking full can.
Yep. You're almost done. Yeah, it's about the right consistency.
I'm almost done, buddy. So I still get these 3 beers, right? Yeah, I get these 3 beers. Hurry up. They're mine.
No, you get one. Just got it should have just well.
Hey,
Anyway.
you're gonna pay me $15. That's more than a 6-pack.
Oh, we're gonna pay you $15 on top of it if you ate it separate, even if you won the challenge. You failed the challenge. You failed the challenge. You said if you fail, you ate the dog food. That's even worse. But think of this, you're saving our channel. It's a noble endeavor. It allows these 2 geniuses to eat more disgusting items.
Oh, I got a challenge for you. You're next, Eugene. I nominate you in on live, so I'll think of it. Give me a minute. No. I'm nominating you.
Just hurry up and eat that thing for the computer you said it.
You gotta eat it before 2 minutes.
10 minutes is alright. Well, I was 3 minutes in.
You were 3 minutes in. You're almost done.
Another 2 bites.
Yeah, it doesn't smell bad. It's kind of like that canned roast beef you get at Dollar General. It's probably what it is. Hey, at least it wasn't the shreds. Or that stuff that comes out from the giant clump.
Could it have been a little bit smaller? I'm kind of full.
It was 75 cents. I'm not going to complain too much.
Imagine what.
And a shout out to...
How do this piece? Look it down.
Shout out to Herb Store number 191 for providing us with all these fine edibles. Dog food, onion, bananas.
Here I was thinking I would get drunk off 6 beers. Shit. Wind up eating dog food.
It's all part of the challenge, buddy.
What a twist.
Unexpected twist.
I throw it in your hand, you gotta finish.
I think that's gristle. I think we can let that one slide. But that's not even meat at that point. That's gristle.
Alright.
Last scoop.
2 more.
2 more.
That's God help me. I swear, if I was starving, I would eat this.
You gotta be better than spam.
Salty as hell. I really taste salt. No. I bet if I heated this up, it probably tastes good.
Probably would. Probably tastes like Campbell's chunky soup.
It's just got to come up with the beer.
Try not to do that.
No, just sucking down.
How much you got left in there, bud? About 1 more spoonful. Or 25% more protein than pedigree.
There it is.
Say who you are again, bud. Channel.
Waldo 87 and Cold Poo.
Thank you for watching, guys, and thanks to losing the coin toss. That was great. We lost the coin toss, and he had challenges. Stag beer, of course, our beer. Oh, only the finest beer of chugging champions. Guaranteed to turn your pee green.
A lot easier than Budweiser.
This has been the Colt Poo Shotgun Challenge and Bet Losing Dog Food Challenge with Waldo 87, NHA Cummins, Senor Cholo, Mr. Clean in the background there, and Mama Bear's computer. Thanks, everybody.